So it's day 30, November 28th for A days, November 29th for B days. I hope you all had a great break. We're going to start back with Unit 6, Equations and Proportions, and today's topic is on translations. So during this lesson, it's going to be really important that you pick out keywords. Keywords that tell you to add would be plus, more, sum, total, increased, keywords for subtract would be minus, less, difference, decreased, keywords for multiplication are times, multiply, product, you might see words like double, of, maybe twice, we'll put up here beside double, maybe even tripled. Keywords for division to look for would be quotient, split, ratio, keywords for flip words, which I'll explain what that means more in just a minute, would be from or than. Then finally, words that tell you something is equal, obviously equals, is. Beside is, we'll put are and were, because you might see any of those. Maybe even was. Possibly the word yields. And anytime you see these keywords, my suggestion would be to underline or highlight them. Alright, so here's some practice problems. Notice that I said this will be helpful for your homework. Alright, number 1, the difference, so I'll highlight the word difference, of negative 8 and y is 16. So both of those are keywords. If you look back at the chart that we just made, the word difference tells us to subtract. So we're going to have subtraction. So negative 8 and y is equal to 16. Number 2, after splitting, so split's a keyword, the money 3 ways, each person got $45. So we didn't put got in the list, but that's another way of saying equals. So we're going to use the variable m for money. M over 3 equals 45. Or you could put m divided by 3. Either way would work. Number 3, 8 less than a number is 16. Alright, so than's one of those keywords. When I see than, I like to draw arrows to help me know to flip the order. So I'm going to flip the order of 8 and a number. Anytime in math we see the phrase a number, we use a variable to represent that. So we'll say x less is subtract, x minus 8 is 16. So the than told me to flip the order of the number and 8. Alright, last two examples in this video. Number 4, 8 subtracted from 20 is 12. So we'll highlight subtracted, from, and is. So subtracted obviously means subtraction sign. From tells you to flip the order, so we'll switch the order of 20 and 8. So 20 will go first, then 8. Is equal to 12. Number 5, the ratio of a number and 20 is 5. So ratio is division. So I'll draw my fraction bar to show division. A number, we'll use any variable, we'll use j here. J and 20 is 5.